Hey guys, welcome to Overland Effects. So we managed to get out of San Diego. We did find a lonely dirt road, so we're still social distancing. But while we're out here, we decided to just go over one of our go-to breakfasts when we are camping. And we literally call them egg turds, but they are easy, allow you to do things, pack up camp or whatever you happen to be needing to do while breakfast is cooking, and there's virtually no cleanup. So we're going to run through how we do breakfast egg turds. Bogey, stop. Okay, so what you are going to need is a big pot and fill it with water. So we are going to go over here and get our pot of water. This is our Amazon special water pump. It's amazing. But just fill it about 3/4 of the way full. And there we go. And basically you're just going to bring this to a boil. Okay, so what you're going to need is eggs, of course. And I'm going to bring 2. Usually this is 2 eggs per person. And if you are cooking for, let's say, kids where they just want 1 egg, it's 10 minutes per egg. So since we're going to be using 2 eggs, it'll be 20 minutes of cooking. So you will need the Quart freezer bags, and it has to be the freezer to withstand the boiling. And then anything that you want to add into your eggs, which could be onions, pre-cooked bacon, and shredded cheese. So what's really great about this recipe is that there is no butter, no oil used, but when they're done cooking, this is going to taste so buttery, delicious, and fluffy. It will taste like there's butter in there, but there isn't. So basically what you're going to be doing is cracking the eggs into a bowl, and then we're going to mix them up. And then you can put in seasonings here too, so if you wanted the a little bit of garlic or salted pepper, whatever the case may be, but just stir these up pretty good. And then once it's all stirred up, you're going to get your quart bag and you're going to dump your egg in there. And then once the egg is in there, this is when you can then add, say, your bacon. So we'll just put all that in there. And then we'll put in a little bit of onion. Okay. And then one of the most important things is to add the cheese now, because this is what's going to give it kind of that creamy, delicious kind of flavor in there. So just dump a bunch of cheese in there. And this is pretty much the extent of it. So once you get this in there, just knead it and mix it up. Sorry, there's flies up here in the mountains. So you're just mixing it, getting the cheese, getting the bacon separated, getting onion all mixed up. And then this is the trick to this, is that you want as little air as possible in here. So open up the bag, and the trick is to kind of lay it down so it gets most of the air out, and then kind of roll it and then seal it. So then you have very little air in the bag. And that's what you want, is as little as air as possible. So now we just wait for the boiling water to come up, and then we'll drop this in for 20 minutes. So since we have 2 eggs in here, 20 minutes. If we were making just 1 egg, it would just be 10 minutes. So we'll wait for a boil, drop this in, and then 20 minutes later, you'll have amazing egg turds. Okay, so now we have the boiling water, and basically all we're going to do is drop this in. But what I do want to mention is when you are off-roading and you don't want to take fresh eggs, this whole thing can be pre-made. So crack your eggs at home, put your bacon, your cheese in there, zip this up. For each day you want to make this meal, there you're good to go. So you don't have to take eggs. Everything can be pre-made for easy breakfast. So basically, we have boiling water, and we're just going to drop this in. And what I like to do is I just like to hold it for just a couple seconds so that it doesn't sink straight to the bottom and melt. So this, you will find as it starts cooking, it's going to float, and then you don't have to worry about it. But just until it starts to float, I don't want it to touch the bottom. I'm just going to hold it here for just a couple seconds until I see that it doesn't want to sit on the bottom anymore. And now it doesn't, and now we're good. So basically this can cook for 20 minutes. You can go do whatever you want to do for the next 20 minutes. So I'm going to start the timer. 20 minutes. All right, so time is up. We can go ahead and turn that off. And this is now ready to go make a burrito. Alright, so this is what it looks like, and it could be a little misshapen, it doesn't matter. It's still going to taste delicious. So I'll get my spoon here, if I can open that up. Okay. Basically, put your tortilla down, open up the egg turd, grab it on the edge here, and then just drop it onto the tortilla. And then what my husband likes to do is he likes to actually puncture it, and that's what it looks like in the middle, so it's all nice and done. And he just takes it in the middle, grab some salsa. Folds it up into a burrito. And that is the boiled egg turd, which is amazing. So hope you guys enjoy. I'll put a link in the description, more detailed information of 10 seconds per egg basically. And it's gonna be a little hot. I hope it don't burn my mouth, but so good. Really good. Hot. So good. So hit the like button if you like this video. Subscribe to our channel if you want to see more content. But hope you guys are staying safe and healthy out there. And get out there, explore when you can. Thanks.